There's a moment in every person's financial journey when everything changes. One day you're grinding, saving every dollar, then suddenly you check your account and realize your money is working harder than you ever did at your job. It's not luck, it's math. And there are 3 specific net worth milestones where this transformation happens so dramatically that your entire life shifts. When you first start building wealth, there's an uncomfortable truth nobody tells you. Most of your progress comes from your effort, not your returns. You're putting in $500 a month, watching your balance crawl up slowly, and it feels like you're doing all the work. Milestone 1, $10,000. This is the number that separates dreamers from builders. Most people never hit this. They give up after 6 months when they see their account sitting at $2,000 and think it's pointless. Here's what changes at $10,000. If you stop contributing entirely and just let it sit at 8% returns, you'll have $48,000 in 20 years without lifting a finger. That's $38,000 in free money. Milestone 2, $100,000. If you invest $100,000 by age 35 and never add another dollar, it grows to over $1 million by 65 at 8% returns. That's the power of compounding at scale. Here's what changes at $100,000. Your money starts doubling faster. The first $100,000 might take 11 years. The second $100,000 takes 7. The third takes 5. Each milestone comes quicker because compounding is finally doing the heavy lifting. Milestone 3, $1 million. This is the number where work becomes optional. Once you hit $1 million invested, your portfolio generates $80,000 a year at 8% returns without you touching it. By year 10, it's earning $160,000 annually. Most people don't make that at their jobs. So where do you start? First, contribute to your workplace retirement plan today. Second, automate your investments so you never have to think about it. Third, don't quit when it feels slow. The time will pass anyway.